Video is the most powerful driving marketing force today, guaranteeing the best return on investment.
Video builds trust. It allows prospects to engage emotionally, thinking less and acting sooner.
Today's modern consumers prefer video content to reading. They expect to see the product in action.
Storytelling is more important than ever before. 98% of users prefer a video to learn something new.
Social media loves video. 90% of consumers watch videos on the go. Did you know that mobile video views have grown more than 233%? Video encourages social shares.
YouTube reports mobile video consumption rises 100% every year. Your video audience will increase as you produce more video, guaranteed.
You are 53 times more likely to show up first in Google if you have a video embedded on your website.
Video is rocking email campaigns. An introductory email that includes video receives an increased click-through rate of 96%.
Stand out from your competition and get your message across. Video is the most powerful driving marketing force today, guaranteeing the best return on investment.
Video builds trust. It allows prospects to engage emotionally, thinking less and acting sooner.
Today's modern consumers prefer video content to reading.